guys, welcome back to a new video. For today's video, I am going to be doing a Valentine's makeup look. The first color that I'm going to start off with is this light pink right here, and I'm just going to use my fingers to apply it on my lid. I always use my fingers because I feel like it sticks on so much better. So I need to use this color right here. So I am going to be doing some eyeliner. I'm just going to be using this like maroonish color right here. Changing up my eyeliner is not going to be black. I'm just gonna fix it up with some like concealer after if it looks like messed up. Okay, so that is how the eyeliner came out, and then I just brung it into my inner corners. I'm just gonna move on to my under eye cream, moisturizer, and primer. These are all the things that I use for my face before I apply foundation. Starting with the under eye cream, I'm gonna use the white one. I forgot to use the red one, which I always forget. Moisturizer. I usually use like a decent amount of moisturizer because my face tends to get like really dry when I put on translucent powder. Primer that I've been using lately. It's been making my makeup look flawless, so I've been using this a lot now. So I don't know if we're moving to Florida soon or not, but my dad has mentioned it a couple of times. So I've been to Florida a few times, but moving over there is going to be different. So if you do live in Florida, let me know, like, how is it really over there? Do you have fun out there? Is there like things to do? Because I know nothing is like nearby. I'm gonna move on to my concealer under my eye. Just gonna use the concealer that I always use. This one is the e.l.f. Hydrating Caramel Concealer. Also guys, I got a new beauty sponge. I got this from Amazon. It came in a pack of 4. This is how the sponge looks now. It expanded a lot, so hopefully this freaking works. I'm just gonna shake this. I'm using my Becca foundation. I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Putty Blush, and I'm just going to start with my cheekbones and just work my way over like that. Next, I'm just going to apply some highlighter. Most of my products that I use are e.l.f. Like, e.l.f. stop playing with me and just sponsor me already. I literally use all your products. Okay, so since this is a Valentine's Day makeup look and my eyelashes are drying right now, I want to talk to you guys about a natural lubricant that you can use that makes you wet, bitches. Like fucking wet. Pineapple juice, bitches. Fucking pineapple juice. I know people like to eat pineapples and supposedly it's supposed to make you taste like pineapples, make you taste good, whatever, blah blah blah. I don't think that fucking works. Get pineapple juice, the ones that come in a can. And bitch, I'm telling you, when you have sex, you'll be so fucking wet. To confirm that it basically does work, I remember my friend she had like a dick appointment, right? And she was telling me like just randomly like, what juice should I buy? Like I want to go to the store and I want to buy juice. I was like, bitch, get pineapple juice. That shit makes you wet. She went and got that shit and she was like, bitch, about that pineapple juice, that shit fucking worked. Like I was wet. I was like, I fucking told you, bitch. Let me know down in the comments if you tried it and it worked for you, or if you're gonna try it and then it works for you. Moving on to my lips. I'm using the NYX Nude Pink Lip Liner and then White Russian Buxom lipstick. Wow. X that out. I think I'm gonna put brown lip liner and then the pink one. Okay, this is more like me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.